只要手艺好，烂树枝也能变成粉。据说将砍下的树枝整齐摆放在炕头上慢慢和烤，等水分蒸发，木质变软，立刻塞进三角架弯折成圆。随后将弯好的木条交叉并队敲入钢架编织部位，定型好后便得到一根根回旋镖形状的木头。白沙瓦师傅正是用它打造当地家离不开的木头。生活在农村的朋友对这种工具一定不陌生。将表面的树皮全部敲落，师傅用斧头把一端劈砍为尖尖，另一端削平，使之能完美贴合，完成打斧的操作。这样便可以利用敲打在木棒上当针，把木棍两钉紧在木棒两侧，形成结实整体。全程不靠机械，只凭经验和手感。一把结实耐用的木叉就是师傅的所在。话说你们家里现在还有这种木叉吗？
Taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. 'Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. 'Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame.